Yes, welcome again to my mathematics online tutorial, and in today's class I want us to discuss binomial theorem. This is a topic under MAT 101, that is elementary mathematics 1 for university or polytechnic student, even college of education. Now look at this. They say s plus y power n equal to s power n plus n combination 1, s power n minus 1, y plus n combination 2, s power n minus 2, y square, then plus n combination 3, s power n minus 3, y power 3, plus sorry, it's 3 dots, n combination n, y, n. So this is a formula or a model that we can use in solving any expansion problem. For example, they say expand x plus y power 5 using binomial theorem. Ordinarily, this we can do this as s plus y, then s plus y, x plus y, s plus y, then x plus y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be very, very difficult for us. But with this formula, life is made what? Easy. Now, let us use the formula and see what we're going to get. If you check very well, what is my n? N here is 5. Look at it. Compare this with the question. N is, look at n. N is 5. Then my x is tx. This is the question, this is the formula. And y is t what? Y. So all we need to do now is to substitute x to be x, y to be y, yn 5. Then we are done. Let's go. This now becomes s, that is x plus y power 5 is what I want to solve. That's why I say x is s, y is y, then my n is 5. So x is s, which is s power what? 5, plus n is 5. 5 combination 1, then x is x. My n is what? 5. 5 minus 1, you have what? 4. All right? Look at y. Y is still y. Plus n is what? 5. 5 combination 2. Then look at this one. X is x. N is what? 5. 5 minus 2. You have what? 3. Then y square. Plus here, my n is what? 5. 5 combination 3. X. Then n is 5. 5 minus 3, you have 2. Then y 3. Plus, we'll still continue. Here, it's going to be 5 combination 4. X will be power what now? Power 3. Because this is n minus, sorry, this is n minus 3. So the next one now supposed to be n combination 4 x n minus what? 4, then y power 4. So now x, n is what? 5. 5 minus 4 will have 1. Then here my y now is y 4. Plus, what is the next? It's going to be what? 5 combination 5. The next is here now. It's going to be n combination 5 s n minus 5 y 5. That is where we are ending. So 5 combination 5 x power what? N is 5. 5 minus 5 will have 0. Then y power 5. I want to tell us one secret about how to generate this formula. If you check very well, your s reduces while y increases. That is why when you can get the first 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, others you can generate them. Look at it now. S power 5 here. The next is what? 5 combination 1. X power 4. See here, S power 3, S2, S1, S0. That is to say your S reduces. But look at Y. The first is Y power 1, which is Y. The second is what? Y square, Y3, Y4, Y5. We have to stop here because look at the power. N, our N is equal to 5. So after getting this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 systems now, all we need to do is just to continue by writing this now. S power 5 plus what is 5 combination 1? 5 combination 1. Look at it. You're like 5 combination 1. It means 5 factorial all over what? 5 minus 1 factorial multiply by 1 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then all over 5 minus 1 factorial means 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right. Then what is 1 factorial? 1 factorial is 1. So everything here, do it very well. They're going to get 5 because 5 times 4 is what? 20. 20 times 3 20 times 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is what? 60. 60 times 2 is 120. Let me show us. Then here, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is what? 24. Then times 1 is the same. So 120 over 24, you have 5. That is why we say 5 combination 1 is what? 5. So permit me to clean this and say 5 combination 1 is what? 5. Then x power 4y plus, look at this one. Look at this one, 5 combination 2. What is the meaning? It means 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 close bracket factorial. Then what? The 2, this one, 2 factorial. This is just like, the general case is what? N combination R, which is what? N factorial all over N minus R. That is N factorial all over N minus R factorial, then R factorial. My N is 5, our R is 2. That is what we are using. So 5 factorial, you have 120. Then 5 minus 2 factorial, it means 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 1, 6. All right? Multiply by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is what? 2. So 120 over 12. The answer is 5. So the answer is 5. Therefore, the answer is 10. So here we have 10 x power 3 y square plus, this step is very simple. Just how to evaluate these factorials, then you are done. 5 combination 3, the answer is also 10, but I'll show us now how. Look at it now. 5 combination 3, it means 5 factorial all over what? 5 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. Look at it. 5 factorial is what? 120. We have shown that before. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 2 factorial is 2. Multiply by 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So now we have 120 all over 12, which is what? 10. That is how it's been done. All right? That's why we have 10x squared y squared. Plus, move to this one, 5 combination 4. The answer to that one is 5. 5, that is, if you use the same method again, 5 factorial over what? 5 minus 4 factorial, then 4 factorial. You will have 5. Just try it and see. 5, then x power 1 is x, then y 4. And the last term now is 5 combination 5 is 1. 5 combination 5 is 1. How? Look at it. 5 factorial all over 5 minus 5 factorial, then 5 factorial. Okay, this is 5 all over 5 minus 5 factorial, then 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is 120. That is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 factorial is 1. Then 5 factorial is 120. 120 over 120, is it not 1? That's why I say this one is what? Equal to 1. Therefore, this is 1, all right? S power 0 is 1. Y power 5. Now, the final answer is s power 5 plus 5s power 4 y plus 10 s power 3 y square plus 10 s square y power 3 plus 5 xy power 4 plus, 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times this will have y power 5. And this is the final answer. If you check very well, our n is 5. That is why we end here, y power 5. Please join me again in the next class where we shall be treating how to find the number of terms, or maybe a specific term in an expansion. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 6. I can say find the third term or the fifth term in the expansion of x plus y power 5. So in my next video, that is what we'll be doing. Please don't miss the video. Bye.